All right, so right here in front of me, I've got 3 delicious cocktails, all featuring apple brandy. Now, let me tell you guys something. There are a few spirits that I love sipping on more during this time of year, which is fall, winter season, than apple brandy. I mean, those apple notes just really sing during this time of year. Now, I've made a video in the past using apple brandy, but in that video, I used Calvados, which is a French apple brandy. But in this video, I'm gonna be sticking right here close to home, actually in New Jersey, and I'm gonna be using Laird's apple brandy. Now, Laird's is the oldest distillery in the US of A, and this stuff is absolutely fantastic. But you should feel free to use whatever apple brandy you have in these cocktails. I'm just featuring this one because I think you guys should know about it. It's a really delicious bottle. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and make these 3 cocktails for you guys. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, so the first apple brandy cocktail that I'm gonna be making for you guys is called the Devil's Staircase. And this one comes to us from one of my favorite cocktail bloggers, Fredric Yarm of the Cocktail Virgin. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so the second apple brandy cocktail I'm gonna make for you guys is called All Jacked Up. And this one was created by Jordan Brower over at Mayahuel in New York City. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so the last cocktail I'm making for you guys featuring apple brandy is called Four in Hand by Scott Teague for Death & Co. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so let's go ahead and give our apple brandy cocktails a sippy sip, starting with the Devil's Staircase. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice, guys. You know, with any cocktail that has mezcal, you're gonna get some of them smoky notes, and that works really great with apple brandy. You almost get a little bit of a baked apple thing going on. You know, the Averna adds a nice bit of, you know, the herbals, the botanicals that are in that, add some nice flavors to it, a little bit of extra punch. It's just a really nice, easy drinking cocktail. This is very, very nice, all right? Now let's go ahead and try our All Jacked Up cocktail. Cheers. Again, you know, with the mezcal, again, a little bit of that smoke. But with this one, you know, you also have the maraschino liqueur. Maraschino really adds some of them big nutty flavors, some floral essence to it too. Oh, this one's got some real bite, some real complexity going on. Oh yeah. Even just a quarter ounce of that maraschino, man, you do not miss it. You do not miss it. But those apple notes are really beautiful there as well. The Fernet, I'm not picking up too much. I feel like it's getting lost, which is surprising because it's not something you often hear in Fernet. The Fernet's getting lost. I mean, that's highly unusual. But in this cocktail, it's ever so present. It's definitely mezcal, maraschino, and of course the apple brandy, all right, folks? So let's go ahead now and try our Four in Hand. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice, guys. First of all, there's so much to like in this one, right? I mean, I'm getting the apple brandy. I'm getting the Smith and Cross. I mean, so good. And that green chartreuse is adding just a little bit of those kind, those herbal essence to the cocktail. This is a really, really nice cocktail. I'm getting the vanilla, not so much the cinnamon, but the vanilla definitely tastes great. I mean, my hat's off to my friend Jessica of Savage Kitchen. Her vanilla syrup is fantastic. But anyway, guys, look, these are 3 really good apple brandy cocktails. I think you guys are gonna love them. What I really was excited when I put these together, because each one of them is really complex. They've all got a lot of stuff going on, and in trying them, they really lived up to the hype for me, right, folks? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.